Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share with you how I do my beach wave without heat. It's pretty simple and easy. You don't need any hot tools. So let's get started. I wash my hair and blow dry the hair a little bit so the hair is still kind of damp, and then I twist my hair backwards, and at the end I do like a French braids. You can repeat the movement until the end. Just leave like 2 inches out. Don't braid the whole thing. So on this side, you can repeat the same way. Pretty much almost done. So now you can just let it be for a few hours and come back, remove the rubber bands, and here we go. You have a little wave. With this, you can fix it a little, and after that you can take some selfie or go out and be fun. And thanks for watching.